Yes, Polly.
I like the idea of Artiscrip, but why use square inches for determining art's value?
Well, I may have invented the word Artiscrip, but I didn't invent the idea of evaluating art by the square inch. For example, a billionaire and his wife decided to get a divorce. This is a true story. And they had a $102 million art collection. And the judge finally decided that part of the way of settling the question of how to divide this equally was to determine by square inches. Chris, the man, had a big house, so he wanted a lot of big paintings. Whereas Julia didn't have a big house and she didn't care about size so much, but she liked the art that spoke to her. And so they put that square inch factor, the size, into the decision, like a formula, part of an algorithm to decide how to fairly divide this collection in two. So I may have invented Artiscrip, but I didn't invent the idea of valuing Artiscrip by the square inches of the artworks that represent the in the Artiscrip. It's a good question.
Thank you, Mr. Ritchie.